Today we're designing and making our own custom clocks with the help of our DIY clock repair kit. It comes shipped to your door with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you can find your manual, 6 silent motors to operate your clock hands. Then, you can find 6 pairs of unique clock hands, 6 packs of fasteners, as well as 6 hooks. All you need is a clock and some tools. Instead of repairing an old clock, I bought some circle wood cutouts and painted some of my own designs. After I got a few painted the way that I wanted, I used my clock template to line up my drill, and then I drilled out a hole in the center big enough to fit the clock motor. Next, take your hanging hook and slide it onto the back of the motor. Then, slide on the grippy washer. Push the motor through the hole in the back side of the clock so that the point is sticking out the front. On the front side, put on your washer, and then the nut, and tighten that down. Once your motor is locked in place, it's time to put on the clock hands. First, grab your hour hand. Make sure it's aligned to 12 o'clock and carefully slide that down into place. Then align your minute hand to 12 and do the same. Then take your second hand and push that down on top to cap off the clock motor. Now your clock is assembled and ready to go. All you need is a AA battery. Pop it in and your clock comes alive. You can use the gear on the back of the motor to adjust the time. Or you could be like me and not put any numbers on your clock at all. This way you never know what time it is and can take the time to enjoy a nice art piece. But in reality, I'll probably get some number stickers and align them with my template. Or I might even paint some numbers on the clocks. But for now, I love my art pieces. The clock hands make them unique, and since I had to drill out the middle, I was able to do some awesome spin art with the drill. Then, fill in the hole with the clock motor, and it's like nothing ever happened. This clock kit has inspired so many projects, and has really got me thinking creatively. I'm already planning my next spin art clock projects. I think with some practice, I can make something really cool. So if you'd like to DIY your own clocks as well, or even repair an old broken one, then this clock kit might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go stare at my clocks some more. They're just so cool. See ya.